Hi everyone, my name is Bianca Gutierrez and I am from Chino, California and currently a junior at BYU, Idaho, and have loved every second being here. Today we're going to talk about a very natural yet effective way to manage pain that is caused by arthritis. Having a mother that suffers from pain caused by arthritis pains me every day. I knew that there had to be a way that would manage the pain without making her feel guilty about taking so many medications every day. Over time, we actually found that these medications resulted in other issues that she had to deal with. So let's dive right into what the big secret is about managing pain caused by arthritis. We learned from a very young age how important any kind of physical activity can be for us. We would do it in elementary school, junior high, and high school every day without realizing the benefits of it. It can be so easy to fall out of the routine of physical activity and not make it a priority in our lives. Unfortunately, as we get older, we develop medical issues that we can't really avoid receiving. Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically get worse the older you get. It is extremely common for doctors to prescribe medications to their patients to help manage the pain, with the knowledge that it's not ever going to go away, which means that you'll never stop taking those medications. This can be extremely scary because you don't know how your body will react when you are taking the same medication every day and how your body will react if you stop taking it one day. There had to be a better way to help with the pain, and there is. Can you believe that the fastest and most efficient way to manage pain caused by arthritis is exercise? Exercise is crucial for people with arthritis because it increases strength, flexibility, reduces joint pain, and helps combat fatigue. It is understanding that the thought of participating in any kind of physical activity can be overwhelming when you are in pain. What my goal is for everyone to understand that there is no other natural way to help manage pain caused by arthritis that also has so many other health benefits to it. What we offer are trainers that understand arthritis more than the average trainer. Going in as a client, you feel secured and taken care of, knowing that you are surrounded by trainers and people that suffer from the same thing you do. However, my target audience is, of course, people that suffer from arthritis, but we also want to target those that want to prevent developing arthritis by participating in physical activity with those that suffer from the same thing around those that specialize in it. A little personal story is my mother was diagnosed with RA, which is a more severe version of arthritis. Exercise was never something that my mom really cared about participating in, and especially as she got older, the interest kind of just faded away even more. After she got diagnosed with her condition, the pain was so bad she would wake up crying every single morning. You can imagine how much that would hurt me every single day. She got so tired of taking so many medications and did not know what to do or what would help. I was beginning my fitness journey and invited her to join me for a 2-week trial. With that accountability that I was giving her, she stayed consistent and has not stopped working out since that day. Her disease has not gone away forever, and I really want to emphasize on that. But it is manageable. Pain does not occur as often, and she is not fatigued like she used to be, and most importantly, she can get out of bed pain-free with no tears. I want everyone to know that going from never working out to going at least 5 times a week can be challenging. We want to be part of your fitness journey and help working out every day can be easy and help with your pain by getting physical with us. Thank you guys so much for listening. For more information on the benefits of exercise, you can visit our website at why physical activity can release pain for those that suffer from arthritis.com. This is just a really good way for you guys to get like a good glimpse of what goes into it and our support that we have for you guys. Thank you guys so much, and we hope to see you working out with us soon. Have a great day.